Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 555, a very powerful chainsaw. This is the Western Edition version. I'll show you the differences. This has the large foot pad for starting the high compression motor, operator presence lever, decompression valve on the top, master control here, off, run, and choke on the up position. Side load on your gas and oil reservoirs. And here's where the difference is on these saws. This has the Western wrap handlebar, the Western large falling spikes, and it's got the 325 chain with a 9-tooth drive sprocket. This speeds the chain speed up, makes it a very fast cutting chainsaw. If you're looking for a very powerful chainsaw for cutting firewood, here's a nice one.